Hello everyone and welcome back. For today's video, we will learn about the basic procedures in installing mulching film. If you're new to this channel and you'd like to see more of this content, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Let's begin. First and foremost, mulching can be done using organic or natural materials such as dried leaves, sawdusts, rice hulls, and many more. On the other side, artificial mulches come in different types of plastic films depending on specific purpose, and they also have different thicknesses depending on your demand. The cost of each material varies depending on your source. Either of these two different type of mulch you will use, both serve the same objectives, which are 1. Conserve soil moisture. 2. Avoid soil erosion and runoff. 3. Control and manage weeds. 4. Minimize soil-borne diseases. And number 5. Manage water and fertilizer application. Attaining these objectives will surely result to higher yield of crops. Now, here is the step-by-step procedure in installing the mulching film. Step 1. Preparing the plot or garden bed. The procedure requires a garden layout. This includes deciding on the size of the plot, clearing the plot, breaking, pulverizing, leveling the soil, and watering and basal fertilizer application. If you have done all these in this procedure, you may proceed to step number 2. Step number 2. Placing the mulching film. In placing the plastic film, make sure to lock the beginning point before rolling the film for easy adjustments. Sticks that are made out of young bamboo may be used as locks, or you may also improvise your own locks. You will also need a roller for easy rolling. Step number 3. Locking the installed plastic film. This is to make sure that the end and the sides of the installed film are also locked in place. This is to make sure that the film stays in place during heavy rain or if a stray animal scratch around the garden bed. Step number 4. Covering the sides of the plots. In this step, we have to ensure that the locks we put are covered with soil, since our films are quite stretchable that the piercing of locks in the film may tear apart when exposed. Now for the last step. Step number 5. Punching the holes. This is the final step. Punching holes on your newly installed plastic mulching film can be done in many other ways, however. In this video, we used empty tin cans filled with materials that are burned to heat up the cans. Heat eventually melts the plastic film, thus creating the holes where plants must be placed. The size of the holes will depend on the size of the can used, and the distance of holes apart from each other depends on the recommended planting distance of the selected crops to be planted to the garden plots. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends. They might like it too. Thank you for watching.